Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy. We don't go bad yo, mama don't need bad energy.
Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed. I'm back with a new video, and this wig does come from Rpghair. And if you guys are interested, of course, I'll have all the details, information, links located in the info section below. So be sure to go ahead and check that out. So here's the wig that I picked up. I picked up this gorgeous wave 3C hybrid curly edge 360 lace wig, and this is what it looks like. You guys have already put this wig on, and let me tell you guys, this has been one of the easiest 360 lace wigs I have ever had in my entire life. So if you guys are beginners, if you guys are new to wigs, new to 360 lace wigs, definitely go ahead and pick this one up. It has the Invisi-Straps in the back. That's what it looks like. So therefore you can kind of adjust the unit so it can fit your head shape, so you can get a nice snug fit. No need to use any adhesives or any glues. This is a 100% real high definition skin melted undetectable 360 lace wig. So my wig is 18 inches in length. This unit is 180% density and is in that wave texture. It has a 3C hybrid hairline edges all around the entire perimeter of the unit. I am just laying the hair around the curly edges, just trying to get everything to be nice and smoothed out, because I do plan on wearing this unit up in a ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep the back as we go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get this unit styled up. I will be refreshing up the curls using a little bit of wax stick and my hot comb just to kind of smooth everything out on top. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So now that my wig is prepped and ready to go, I'm going to show you guys how I wear my 360 units when my hair isn't braided up in a beehive or cornrows or anything like that. I just have my hair in a ponytail, okay? I'm rocking a silk dress. And my hair is pretty long, so you guys see exactly how I'm able to wear a wig with my hair out. So right now I'm just removing the lace all around the entire perimeter of the unit. You do want to take your time when you're doing this. I do have this on fast forward speed, so that's why it looks like I'm going a little ham on this unit, but I did take my time to remove the lace, so therefore I'm not chopping off the edges or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that elastic band. You guys can see that everything is nice and dried. The hair is laid the way I wanted, but I did leave the curly edges alone because I didn't want those to lose their texture or anything like that. And this is what the back looks like. Perfect to be worn in a updo or a ponytail, if you will. So this is what this high definition lace looks like. It's still a tiny bit too light for my skin tone, so y'all know I like to throw on a little bit of makeup just to ensure that this is going to melt in with my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this airbrush legs all over the lace and just buff it out using a makeup brush, just to where I can get a nice meltable color. It blends in perfectly with my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw on a stocking cap. I'm just using a plain old black stocking cap. You guys can see my hair is a little bulky in the back, but we are not going to even see it, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and just throw this unit on. You guys can see how it just comes together, and I do have this going in a faster speed, but y'all, this unit literally came on so easily. So now I'm just adjusting the unit by using the Invisi-Straps, and I'm just getting a nice custom fit. Now if you don't want to use any adhesives, you don't have to. You can just move right on to the next step. However, I just will be using a little bit of my spray on adhesive just along the, didn't want it lifting or falling back, especially being that I'm showing you guys this unit on camera. But before I do that, I will be refreshing up my curls. Furthermore, just using a curly wand, and I'm doing curls going the opposite direction of my face just to kind of give it a nice beachy body wave look. So now I'm taking my 𝐒𝐵𝐿 lace bonding spray. I'm just going to spray that just along the very front of my forehead. We're not going to go all the way around the entire perimeter. Now you can if you choose to, but it's completely unnecessary. This is a nice glueless lace wig, once again for my beginners out there. But I will be doing this just because I kind of want the wig to stay in place. I'm just going to apply my little edge band just along the perimeter just to kind of get that melted down, simply because I didn't have my blow dryer on hand. So this right here works perfectly fine. I let that sit for like a good 2-3 minutes or so, and now we're ready to go. I'm now popping in a little bit of my powder just in the parting space to kind of get that part to pop. And you guys, take a look at these edges. Y'all, these edges look so very natural. You know what this kind of reminds me of? Like sometimes when I get a silk press and I'm washing my face and my bonnet kind of goes back a little tiny bit and I get my edges wet and they start to kind of revert a little bit. This is what this unit is kind of giving me. It's giving me like a silk press with reverted edges. So that's what it's kind of giving me. I was a little apprehensive at first. I didn't know how this was going to go all together, but yeah, y'all, it kind of reminds me of when I get my edges wet, which kind of irritates me, but it is what it is. So now I'm going to give you guys a little quick style. I told you guys I wanted to kind of wear this unit up in an updo, so I'm just going to kind of roll up the hair. I'm going to clip it down using my little clip, and this is what this unit looks like. You guys do not notice my hair up underneath it. It's not super bulky. It looks super natural. You guys can see how the back of the unit looks, and once again, the back of this unit is not glued down, and you guys can see how it just lays so effortless. It just kind of looks like, once again, I got a little bit of water back there, but it is what it is. So once again, you guys do check out Rpghair. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. If I can find a discount code, I'll try to leave one below as well to save you guys some cash. That's only if I can find one. But you guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. It's gorgeous. This is definitely like a winter spring hairstyle, and I am in love. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.